Hi everyone and welcome back to Mobb, the only tool that makes your life easier by automatically fixing the security issues in your code. I'm here to share with you some huge news today. We announced our amazing partnership with Checkmarx, the security scanner, and a big part of it is making sure that Mobbs and Checkmarx joint customers get all the things that they need to easily run security scans and fix the issues that are detected right away. So we built a super smooth integration between Checkmarx and Mobb that allows Checkmarx users to quickly and easily get fixes right away. Let me show you how it works. So up until now, if you wanted to get your Checkmarx issues fixed by Mobb, uh, you had to upload some vulnerability report, like provide data that we need in order to get you the fixes. So I want to show you two really cool options that we added here. I'll start with connecting your Checkmarx account. So we thought, why should users work hard to like fetching the data, getting the vulnerability report, if we can just like let the user connect their Checkmarx account. So I'm going to provide here really quickly my credentials and just click test connection and we'll see that the connection is successful. And the next thing I know, I see the list of Checkmarx projects that I have. This is taken from Checkmarx. This is like my project in Checkmarx. I can choose whatever projects I want to get fixes for. Click on continue and start getting fixes right away without providing any information. Mobb is fetching all the information from your Checkmarx account for you. And the analysis is starting to run. And if in a few seconds we see the fixes here, but in the meanwhile, what I can show you is that when I open the projects menu, I can see that there are like two new projects. So for each project that I imported from Checkmarx, there's a project at Mobb that is created with the appropriate code fixes. So here you can see the fixes for the two projects I just chose for my Checkmarx account. We're also planning really soon to add an option to monitor your Checkmarx projects, meaning whenever you got a new Checkmarx scan that ran on the project that you chose to monitor, Mobb will fetch the vulnerability report from this scan and right away provide fixes and send you an email that you got new fixes available. Okay, but this is meant for users that already ran a Checkmarx scan and they want to get fixes. But what if you want to initiate a new Checkmarx a security scan and get fixes right away? So for this, we built another very cool feature, which is allowing users to scan with Checkmarx directly from the Mobb CLI. So I'm going to choose this option, click continue. And then you see that I'm asked to provide a repository to scan with Checkmarx. So let's just use here like WebGoat for this example. We find the repository and let you continue. And then what you see here is a command line text that you can easily copy. It has all the information needed, and I can just like really easily paste it into my CLI. Basically, it uses NPM to run Mobb immediately, and there are some information that is added here, including the repo that I chose in the UI, and it tells Mobb to scan with Checkmarx. Now I'm going to run this scan, and in a few minutes, the Checkmarx scan will run via our CLI, and after the scan is finished, Mobb will immediately take the results of the scan and provide fixes for all the issues detected in the scan. So you can see here that the Checkmarx scan is done, and I just need to hit a key, and I'm back at Mobb, seeing the results of the scan, including the immediate fixes for the issues that were detected in this scan.